5 amazing tips to cure hiccups instantly. Hiccups may occur individually or in bouts. For most people, a bout of hiccups lasts only a few minutes. Rarely, hiccups may persist for hours. Usually, the sound of hiccup is the only sign. However, at times one can experience a slight tightening sensation in the chest, abdomen or throat. Presenting 5 amazing tips to cure hiccups instantly. Number 1. Yogurt. Mix 1 cup of yogurt with a teaspoon of salt. Stir it thoroughly until the salt dissolves completely. Have the yogurt slowly. This will help stop your hiccups. Number 2. Lemon juice. Put half teaspoon of undiluted lemon juice in your mouth. The overpowering taste will compel you to swallow it hard and the hiccups will stop immediately. Number 3. Cardamom. Cardamom powder is an effective remedy for hiccups. Boil 1½ cup of water and add a teaspoon of freshly ground cardamom powder in it. Allow the liquid to cool and then strain the liquid and drink. This remedy helps the muscles of the diaphragm to relax and this will stop your hiccups. Number 4. Ginger. Peel a small piece of fresh ginger and chew it slowly to get rid of your hiccups. Number 5. Ghee or clarified butter. Mix half teaspoon of mustard seeds with half teaspoon of pure ghee and swallow the mixture. This will reduce your hiccups.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, do click on the like button, share this video on Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.